Hello and welcome back to Rumor Has It, Music News and Gossip, but you ain't heard it from me. Today we're looking at this video coming straight out of prison. He gonna show us how to make a battery charger for a cell phone.
So they allow cell phones in prisons now?
No, it's all contraband, but he gonna show you how to make a cell phone charger, you know, when your battery go dead, because they ain't got no charger to keep the phone going.
Alright, fuck it, it's Q&A time, question and answer time. You guys have been asking me how the fuck I get dominoes in this bitch.
Well, how do you think he's able to get dominoes in jail and play dominoes?
Well, it's obvious that a worker got to bring it to him.
That's right.
Or they gonna make up themselves. But other than that, you know, I'm sure one of them officers brung him instead of dominoes. That's how he getting stuff in prison.
King motherfucking domino, you know. I got the hookup, so I guess what I gotta get. And the second question a lot of you guys have been asking me is, how do I charge my phone? I'm about to show you guys.
Just see, like he said, he got the hookup, so his officers bring you different type of stuff. You know, of course, you know you got to pay for it. You know, you probably got somebody on the outside world paying that officer to bring you whatever you want. You know,
or he could be in a relationship.
Yeah, he could have him officer who he messing with down there.
Yeah.
You know, that's how they get in a lot of stuff.
That's right.
So let's see how he gonna make this battery charge.
Check it out. Okay, now here's my USB that I had to kind of jimmy low key. But as you can see, here's the charger part. I use four rechargeable batteries, AA batteries.
And see, a lot of them parts that he using, it probably came out his radio. He probably took his radio that he bought off commissary, probably broke it down and took the wires out of it, and you know, and the batteries, you know, all this stuff there, they sell on commissary.
Right, but this seems like a good science project for any kid.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah. And what, they want to go to prison to find out how to make it?
No, I'm not saying that. I'm saying look at the mind and how smart he really is. Had he just used that and took that ability and applied it elsewhere, he wouldn't be there.
Yeah. So you see right there, you know, if we put our minds to it, we can basically do anything. You know, if you can survive the ghetto, you can survive anywhere.
That's right.
You know, in prison, you know, you come up with all these fascinating ideas, you know, and inventions and stuff like that. You know, they say it's a lot of smart people in prison.
Most definitely.
You know, but we just don't get out of prison and apply to nothing that's positive. You know, we kind of go back to our old ways and go back to the old neighborhood and get caught up instead of thinking about all the ideas and inventions and business ideas that we had when we was locked up. So when we get out, we just kind of forget about it.
Well, you see, while they're in there, time is slow. They have nothing but time on their hands. So they're able to sit and think, you know, and really imagine. But once they get out, they get back on the hustle. You know how busy this life is, how busy this world has got. Nobody have time for anything. Really don't have time for themselves. They don't, you know, it's just, it's a different culture.
We got positive wire going to the tip of the positive. And here's the negative. White wire going to the back of the negative. And it's a tube, little fucking paper tube, 4 batteries, and bam, that's power. Battery powered phone. Charge this bitch up. Prison 101. Prison. So now you know how to charge your motherfucking phone if you was to be in a die-hard emergency situation and you had to put some motherfucking shit together. That's how you charge your phone. Bam, free clap.
My hands go down to him. I wish him all the best of luck. And there again, if you can do that and survive that in there, I'm going to take this to my kids and show them this. I mean, this is something that I would like to do with them. But let us know what you think, guys. And
till next time, make sure you like and subscribe.
Don't forget to comment.
We're out.